Hi, my name is Stephen McGee and I'm the author of Toxic Electricity, and we're here to compare three standard lamp bulbs on a switch to three electronic light bulbs on lamp dimmers. And here's the three lamp dimmers for the circuit, and here's the switch for the lamp bulbs. And to do this, we're going to use this meter. We're going to measure the magnetic fields and we're going to measure the electric fields from this circuit compared to this circuit. So let's turn on the meter to magnetic, and this cable right here is for the light bulbs. So I'm going to switch on the light bulbs and let's see what our peak magnetic field is. So we appear to get about 6 milligauss coming off on the 0 to 100 range for the light bulbs. So let's move this meter onto this cable, which is for our electronic light bulbs. And let's switch on the first circuit. Because we're using lamp dimmers, we're going to have to tune it. So that's full brightness for this light bulb. So you can see that the field is much lower on full brightness, and as we reduce the brightness down, it actually starts increasing. And then as we go to dim, it drops right off. So let's see if we can get the peak field. And it appears to be right there. So it's just short of 35 milligauss on the meter. And we're somewhere in mid-range. So let's turn on our second light bulb. Let's see what we get. Okay, again this one's showing the same kind of behavior. So at full brightness it's low, and as we back off it starts to creep up. I think it's right there at the peak field. So now we have two bulbs on at medium brightness. And let's turn on our last circuit. Okay, so there we go. I'm going to play around with it. Okay, so we're on full brightness right now. So I'm going to back it off. Appears to be right there. So we've got over 100 milligauss coming off the cable with the three electronic light bulbs on. Let's see how large this field is. Okay, so it's probably about a foot magnetic field coming off the cable. So let's switch over. I'm going to turn everything off, and we can switch over to electric field and repeat the experiment. So now on electric field, we're reading 0 electric field. So let's turn on the circuit. So our lamp bulbs are on. These are the conventional light bulbs. Let's see what our electric field is doing. So we actually have about 25 on the electric field setting. Let's see how far that goes. So that field appears to go about 3 feet. We can see that around the light bulbs there's a field. as well as the cable. So let's turn off the light bulbs. Let's move our meter onto our electronic light bulbs. And I'm going to turn on the first circuit. And interestingly, we actually seem to get the peak field right around the midpoint range again. So we have one light bulb on. Let's turn on the second light bulb. So you can see there's multiple peaks for the field on this light bulb. And I think our peak is right around there. Okay, so we have two light bulbs on. I'm going to turn on the third light bulb. And the peak seems to be on this particular light bulb down towards the dimmer end of the scale. Okay, so let's see how large our field is. So we've got 3 electronic light bulbs on. Let's see how far we have to go to get out of the field. Okay, so right around here is where we have to go to get out of the field. And that is about 10 feet. So as you can see, these electronic light bulbs and their on dimmers are off very large fields. And that was the purpose of this demonstration. I hope you enjoyed it, and I wish you the very best of health. Thank you.